My name is Clément Cazobon, I'm French, I'm a technical assistant for the European Union Humanitarian Aid Service. The European Union has deployed here for the last 3 decades humanitarian experts in order to monitor the humanitarian situation prevailing in Kenya, as well as technically support the different humanitarian aid agencies that are receiving our funding. In terms of concrete examples of what the Humanitarian Union is supporting in humanitarian field in Kenya, I could refer here to the refugee support. Kenya has been hosting for the last 3 decades significant numbers of refugees. I mean, we are talking of millions of asylum seekers that came to Kenya escaping the war conditions and the violences faced in their countries of origin, be it South Sudan, Somalia, or the Great Lakes conflicts. So our main engagement here is related to this support in the refugee space, where concretely we deliver basic services via humanitarian partners, UN agencies, national NGOs, international NGOs, in all the different field of expertise that European Union has: education, health, nutrition, water provision. In addition, we also support the Kenyan population affected by the regular cycles of drought and floods that are prevailing due to climate change. We are in a country where half of the population reside in arid and semi-arid lands, and they are regularly facing dire food insecurity situation and nutrition crisis. So in Kenya, it's extremely interesting for the European Union because we work hand in hand with civil society organizations that have a great expertise and technical knowledge, know-how to deliver humanitarian responses. Kenya benefits from an excellent National Red Cross Society present everywhere in the country and capable of rapidly delivering emergency responses, crisis response, search and rescue operations, which we are supportive of. In addition, we have a well-developed network of civil society organizations at local level, at community level, at national level, and we have entered for many years in a support to localization of humanitarian assistance, and voilà, we do it via diversity of partnership such as the ASAL humanitarian network. So here in Kenya, for the European Union and its humanitarian department, it's a very important location. In fact, Kenya has been a hub for many decades for humanitarian responses delivered in the whole of Horn Africa region. All the countries are concerned, and as such we have a significant team present in Kenya with diverse responsibilities attached to their sectors of expertise. So we have health expert, nutrition expert, food security expert, aviation expert, name it, and they not only support Kenya operations but also the broader, the larger region, and we have, I mean, from here we can intervene and support interventions in almost throughout the whole continent. Well, Kenya, being quite central in the Horn of Africa, a region impacted by numerous conflicts and episodes of violence, have been welcoming refugees, forcibly displaced populations in very large numbers. We are talking here of millions of individuals coming from diverse countries in the region that landed in Kenya, hosting, welcoming them, and the European Union, as part of its contribution to international obligations, is supporting Kenya authorities in welcoming, in assisting those forcibly displaced populations. So this is one component of our work here, and the second big component is to come in support of drought and flood affected populations that are present in several countries. Well, the humanitarian assistance provided by the European Union in Kenya has been a cornerstone, I believe, of the cooperation between Kenya and the European Union, in the sense that in various locations and along the years, it's been a key element of our support to the country. Huge resources have been invested to support Kenya in assisting its crisis-affected populations. A number of new initiatives, new strategies can be developed, such as, for instance, investing in disaster preparedness, concretely supporting affected or vulnerable communities before disaster strike, reinforcing communities' capacities, developing, for instance, in the field of food insecurity, drought-resistant seeds distributions, preparing communities such as developing dikes, for instance, in locations where you have regular flooding, etc. Well, Kenya is a particularly welcoming country. Kenyans, of course, are extremely friendly. Geographically wise, Kenya is just impressive with so many different landscapes, so many different communities, and which are so it's so interesting to discover and to work with. Personally, I'm particularly appreciative of the mountain areas, the Aberdares, and I'm particularly appreciative of the traditional Nama Choma and Kachumbari.